Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to round 2, season 2 of Po Mano'o, and this is your second game. Welcome to our two teams. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big hand for them. Give a big hand for yourselves, guys. Thank you very much for being with us today. We have Team Pioneers on my right and Team CocoPuffs on the left. Teams, our first round for Po Mano'o is Riddle Me This, or Tupua. So I will give you a riddle. The first team to buzz in and give the correct answer gets 10 points. And we will go back and forth and see whoever gets it right. Teams, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Our first riddle. I shave every day, but my beard stays the same. What am I? Again, I shave every day. What are you shaving? But my beard. Pioneers. Cross. Cross is incorrect. Nice try, Pioneers. Mayava. Over to CocoPuffs. Water? No, that is incorrect. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a hint. Boys frequent it a lot. You can find it at the market. It only costs $10 to do. No? What's another? Yes?
A broom.
A broom? Sorry, I did not know that is incorrect, no? Yes? Barbershop is correct. Is it 5 or 10? We will let the producer decide. Our second question. You walk into a room that contains a match, a kerosene lamp, a candle, and a fireplace. What would you light first?
A match.
A match is correct, and 10 points for Seraphine and her team, Pioneers. Question number 3. I have branches, but no fruit, no trunk, nor leaves. What am I? We have Mayava for team Pioneers. Church. No, close. You do take money to it, but not the church. Team CocoPuffs. I have branches, but no fruits. Any fruit? I mean, yes, and no trunk or leaves. Pioneers again?
Family tree.
Family. No. Nice try.
A person.
A person. We got person.
A person. A human.
A human? No. Try. Nice try. Okay. You can make a deposit in this thing.
A bank.
A bank is correct. A bank has branches, but no fruit, no tree. What bank does Team Pioneers use?
Use International Bank.
International Bank. And Team CocoPuffs, what's your bank?
PSP.
PSP. Be sure to sponsor Po Mano'o. Question number 4. David's parents have 3 sons. Snap and Crackle are the oldest. What's the name of the third son? This is a trick question. David's parents have 3 sons.
David.
CocoPuffs got it. David is correct. And 10 points for your team. Nice try, everybody. Question number 5. I follow you all the time and copy your every move, but you can't touch me or catch me. CocoPuffs? Shadow is correct. And another 10 points. Ooh, on fire, CocoPuffs. Our last question. You see a boat filled with people, yet there isn't a single person on board. How is that possible? You see a boat filled with people, yet there isn't a single person on the boat. It has to do with relationships. Why is not a single person? Yes?
A fishing boat.
A fishing boat. Nice try, Adina, but no, not a fishing boat. Come on, CocoPuffs. You see a boat, many people, but not a single person on it.
Because they're single. It's a single person.
No, nice try, everybody. So what happens when you have a ring on your finger? You are no longer single?
You're married.
Come again, CocoPuffs? Can we get a better answer? Why is there not? How is that possible? How is there not a single person on the board?
Everyone is married.
Everyone is there. Yes. Hey, Seraphine. Okay. Okay. Congratulations, guys. That is the end of round 1. We're gonna take a short break, relax, and come back for round 2. Talafalava, ladies and gentlemen, this is round 2 of Po Mano'o, and we are here with Team Pioneers and CocoPuffs. The second round is called Pese Mai. Pese Mai, we will play a song, and then a bit through, we're gonna pause it, and if the team sings it on correctly and with the right attitude, you get 10 points. If you get it so-so, 5 points. But now we know that CocoPuffs is going first. CocoPuffs, all the best. Your song is... Wait for it. You can dance. Keep singing.
I don't know.
You don't know the words of Apple.
It kills me, honey, honey.
And that is all. What? Nice effort, Team CocoPuffs. Next time.
This is so, so.
And now over to Team Pioneers. Your song is... Adina looks like she's got it. And 10 points for Team Pioneers. Nice one. Our third song. CocoPuffs, shake it up, girls. Ladies, for your song is... Yeah, she's got it. Remember, on time. Wait, what is it? One more. Okay, 5 points. Nice try. The words are... The correct words are... You want to play the snip?
Try.
Nice try, CocoPuffs. But now we are back to the singers of tonight. Team Pioneers. Like a reggae song. Yeah, man. Okay.
Baby, just give me tonight.
Nice. If I have a feeling, these are some RSA songs. But nice, team. 5 points from our producer. Can I hold you tonight? Next time you go dancing, remember this song. Nice. Now, for the last time, your last song, Team CocoPuffs.
They can say it all sounds crazy.
Yeah, the Greatest Showman. You heard of it?
They can say we lost our minds.
Okay. 17 seconds.
I don't care if they call us crazy.
I will sing this song just...
We believe in the word that we decide.
Is that 10 points?
Run away to tomorrow.
10 points. Our producer says 10 points. What's your name, my dear? Maria, thank you, Maria. They're all very good singing tonight, Maria. And
We should get a mic.
our last... You can steal if they don't get it. you almost got it. What is it?
Can we finish it?
Come on, let's go. As long as I live, I love you. Oh, you did that. CocoPuffs, sing it to them.
Now you know it.
Beautiful and white. Thank you very much, teams. And that is the end of round 2. Pet and Mike will be back after this short break. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our third round of Po Mano'o is window shopping. Teams, our team at the back will show you an item on the screen. Whatever it's from Frankie's or BSL, you have to try and guess the price of the item. As long as you're the closest one, the one closest to the item wins 10 points, okay? Good luck to you both. Teams, our first item for window shopping. Samoa's CCK coffee, 500 grams. Sold at Frankie's supermarket and wholesale. This is the best coffee in Samoa. Have you tried it, Adina? Have you tried this coffee before?
Yes.
Yes. You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Thank you, Dina. Okay. 500 grams. 500. It's about this big, this wide, and very strong.
That's my mouse.
Okay, time is up. Please show your answers at the same time. We have Pioneers with 16 tala and CocoPuffs with 6 tala 50 cent. The correct price of this coffee bag is 17 tala 30 cent. 10 points for Pioneer. Who guessed your? Was it?
Yes.
Oh, but you just came from Australia, yeah? Okay, our item number 2 is a stereo aux, 1-to-1 aux, sold at Business Systems Limited. You can use this to connect your phone to your speaker in the car, or to your headphones, or to your computer. Anything goes, sold at Business Systems Limited. For your information, teams, yes. Sold at Business Systems Limited. You can get it at a very, very cheap price. I didn't think it was this much. I'm gonna go get one for my car later. Oh, you guys ready, CocoPuffs? Okay. Show your answers from what morning? 25 tala from CocoPuffs, 31 tala from Pioneers. The correct price of this aux wire is 12 tala. Closest one is CocoPuffs. Whoa. You both want a lot, huh? Okay, our third item is a Jade Bridge mushroom soy sauce bottle. 625 milliliters. Sold at Frankie's supermarket and wholesale. One bottle, 625 milliliters. So that's about 3 Fanta cans. How much is it? What kind of food can you make with this soy sauce? What do you think, Dina?
With chop suey.
Chop suey. Chop suey, my favorite. Okay, let's see your answers from the morning. 350 from Pioneers and 6 tala from CocoPuffs. The correct price is 3 tala 30 cent. The closest is Pioneers and 10 points for Pioneers. Nice one, guys. Item number 4 is a Cruiser Blade flash drive. 64 gigabytes, sold at Business Systems Limited. 64 gigabytes, no, 64 tala. Okay. Flash drives, you can save your movies, your songs, your recording of White Sunday next week. Whatever you want to do with it, up to you. Business System, SanDisk. That Cruiser Blade. Very, very good brand. And please reveal your answers. Whoever gets this right wins a BSL voucher to go shop at BSL. Show your prices, ladies and gentlemen. Teams. Fast food. And 45. The correct price of this flash drive is 48 tala. And the closest is Team Pioneers. Congratulations, Team Pioneers. You guys win a 50 tala voucher to go buy whatever you want at Okay. Our fifth item is a Soflin 2-liter floral or lavender. 2 liters so that Frankie's wholesale and supermarket. Oh, this is what we use to make the cloves smell really nice. 2 liters, yes. Team CocoPuffs thinking really hard. Let's go, Team CocoPuffs. You guys okay? Oh, let's see your prices, ladies and gentlemen. Team Pioneers, 12.50. 12 tala from Team CocoPuffs. The correct price of this Bailao is 19 tala 30 cents. And another 10 points goes to Pioneers. Our last item for today is a X3 gaming console sold at Business Systems Limited. Oh, a lot of you Pioneers was quite fast to this one. Business Systems Limited. You get this one right, get to move on. Okay. Please show your answers. Team CocoPuffs and Team Pioneers. Total slowly must follow from Pioneers. And 250 from Team CocoPuffs. The correct price is 95 tala. The closest is CocoPuffs and 10 points. Mary is happy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for round 3 window shopping. We're gonna take a short break, relax, come back for round 4. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to round 4 of Po Mano'o. This is our newest game called Coconutty. Can everybody say Coconutty?
Coconutty.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, has anyone here not seen a Coconutty?
Me?
Yes, you see? Oh, you have? Oh my gosh. Well, Serafina, for your information and for our viewers at home, this is a Coconutty, okay? In Samoa, we call it Popo. Everybody say Popo?
Popo.
Popo, yes. Popo, as in this game, we will draw a tree. For every wrong letter guess you get, we draw part of the coconut tree. The last part of the tree will be the Popo falling, and it will eventually hit you on the head. So, be careful, okay? But, just for the sake of this show, Mary, can you hold my mic, please? No, this is. Don't be shy, man. Don't be shy. Ladies and gentlemen, and. And that is how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. 2 pieces for the coconut. Puzzle is a song title. We will start from Team Pioneers. Okay, guys, please guess your first letter and be mindful of the coconut. You go. What's your first letter?
A.
We have an A? Do we have an A? There's one A. Next team, over to CocoPuffs. I. Do we have an I? Ooh. Katie, you now have a treat. Don't worry, Katie. Over the team.
E.
Pioneers. E. Do we have an E for elephant? Ooh, there is one E. Nice, nice. Over back to Team CocoPuffs.
H.
H. Do we have a H? Katie? What are we doing, Katie? I was only joking. Don't get hit in the head by the Coconutty. Over the Team Pioneers. Man, but it's a song title. C. Do we have a C? You guys are getting this very fast. Nice try, Pioneers. Over to Team CocoPuffs.
L.
L? Do we have an L? There are coconuts hanging over your head right now. Just a small tap and it might fall. Be careful. Yes, pioneers?
Yes.
Do we have an F? First word is face. Yes, you can after we come back from CocoPuffs. CocoPuffs. You can solve or you can guess a letter. But wrong. One more wrong guess and the coconut will fall. Mary, give it a try. You tasted it just now. Oh? Oh, Mary's got it. There is an O. Ooh. Over the team Pioneers. Pioneers, Mayava, you wanted to guess this song? You can guess another letter if you like.
R.
R. Is there an R? Okay, there is an R. It's face row. CocoPuffs. You can solve?
D.
D. Is there a D? Okay.
Can we solve it?
Face drop.
Over. You guys want to solve it?
Face drop.
Face drop. Is there a song called Face Drop?
Yeah, drop.
Face drop is correct. And the points go to Team Pioneers. Great job, guys. Okay, teams. Our second puzzle. Ole upu fasamoa o tangata. A person, famous person. And since we started off on this side, we're going to start with Team CocoPuffs. CocoPuffs, your first letter. Apu. Do we have an A? That's Tolfa, that is correct. Nice. Go Team CocoPuffs. Pioneers. Dina, Fina, and Maya.
A.
Elefante. And there are two. Back to CocoPuffs.
La.
La lo. Lua. Okay. Back to Team Pioneers. More. One more. Back to Team CocoPuffs. You want to solve?
Yes.
Okay, CocoPuff wants to solve
Malietoa.
the whole puzzle.
Pass. Me.
You want to guess the letter? You can.
Me.
Okay, sorry guys. You get the trunk for that one?
Trunk.
Nice try.
Wanna solve.
Okay, Team Pioneers wants to solve.
Malietoa Laupepa.
Malietoa Pepper? Is that? And it is! Malietoa Pepper. Serafina and her team got it. Great job, everybody. And our third puzzle, another Samoan word, Nufuanga. We went here. Now we're gonna come back to Team Pioneers to start us off. Team Pioneers. Dina? Apu? One. Okay, there's one. CocoPuffs. Langi? Okay. Back to Team Pioneers. Ofu? Okay, there's two. Oh, there's one. CocoPuffs. Your guess?
More.
Oh, that is correct. Team Pioneers.
A.
And it is one A. No for any Samoan word. You want to solve?
Yes.
Okay, CocoPuff going for the solve.
Falelo Mitusi.
And it is correct. Hey, great job, CocoPuffs. 14. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That is the end of Coconutty. We're going to take a short break. Come back for our lightning round. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is the last round of Po Mano'o, the lightning round. I am joined with Team Pioneers. Tell us a lot of Team Pioneers. How are you guys feeling so far?
Good.
You guys feeling good? God, Dina, I like your attitude, Dina. And teams, congratulations, you guys. I think are in the lead. So we're gonna go through lightning round. We're gonna give you as many questions as we possibly can, and we'll buy them really fast. And at the end, we'll see who has the most points and who gets to go into the next round. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. First, your time starts after I read the first question. True or false? Greenland is the largest island in the world.
True.
How many ghosts can chase Pac-Man at the start of each game?
5.
Sushi comes from which country?
Korea.
In the Bible, how many brothers did Joseph have?
12.
What was Meta Platforms Incorporated formerly known as? You can pass if you want. What is the national sport of Japan?
Karate.
True or false? Vanilla is the world's most expensive spice.
Yes. True.
What is the name of Donald Duck's girlfriend?
Daisy.
Pink ladies and Granny Smiths are types of what fruit?
Pass.
What band was Harry Styles in before his solo career?
One Direction.
What does the Latin word tempest mean in English?
I have no idea.
Okay, pass. Thank you very much, Team Pioneers. You guys are amazing. We'll call you back shortly. And welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I am now joined with Team CocoPuffs. We are the leader, I believe, is Katie. Is that right, Katie?
Yeah.
Yeah. And her supporters, Mary and my friend Sina. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. How do you guys feel so far?
Tired.
Yes, okay. Team, best of luck. We will try and go through the questions as fast as possible. Your time starts after I read out the first question. Good luck. True or false? Greenland is the largest island in the world.
True.
How many ghosts chase Pac-Man at the start of each game?
Pass.
Sushi comes from which country?
Korea.
In the Bible, how many brothers does Joseph have?
12. 11.
What was Meta Platforms Incorporated formerly known as?
Pass.
What is the national sport of Japan?
Judo.
True or false? Vanilla is the world's most expensive spice.
Wrong. False.
What is the name of Donald Duck's girlfriend?
Pass.
Pink ladies and Granny Smiths are type of what fruit?
Pass.
What band was Harry Styles in before his solo career?
One Direction.
What does the Latin word tempest mean in English?
Pass.
What is the capital of Australia?
Canberra.
Name the city where Jesus was born.
Bethlehem.
Who won the All Blacks versus Wallabies game on September 24th?
All Blacks.
What language is spoken in Brazil?
Brazilian. Spanish.
Thank you very much, Katie and your team. You guys are awesome. Thank you, guys. Welcome back, everybody. We have just gone through the lightning round with both teams, Pioneers and CocoPuffs. Please, guys, give a big hand for yourselves for making it this far. Okay. We have gone through it, and now we will go over your answers and see who has come out victorious of the game. For our first question, we asked both teams, true or false? Greenland is the largest island in the world. Both answered true. The correct answer is true. You both got that 10 points. Second question, how many ghosts chase Pac-Man at the start of each game? Pioneers answered 5 ghosts. We got a pass from Team CocoPuffs, but the correct answer is 4. There are only 4 ghosts. So, missed out on that one. Sushi comes from which country? Both answered Korea. The correct answer is Japan. Sushi is a Japanese food. Next question, in the Bible, how many brothers did Joseph have? Both answered 12. The correct answer is 11. Joseph was the 12th brother, yes? What was Meta Platforms Incorporated formerly known as? Both gave a pass. The correct answer is Facebook. It used to be called Facebook. What is the national sport of Japan? We got a judo from CocoPuffs, karate from Pioneers. The correct answer is sumo wrestling. If you've seen it, you know, the big, strong men. Next answer, true or false? Vanilla is the world's most expensive spice. We got a true from CocoPuffs. Oh, we got a false from CocoPuffs and a true from Pioneers. The correct answer is false. It is not, and 10 points for CocoPuffs. What is the name of Donald Duck's girlfriend? We got a pass from CocoPuffs. We got Daisy Duck from Serafina and her team. The correct answer is Daisy Duck. She got it right. Pink ladies and Granny Smiths are types of what fruit? Both passed. The correct answer is apples. Granny Smiths and pink ladies. What band was Harry Styles in before his solo career? Both answered One Direction. Correct answer is true, One Direction. We'll get that 10 points. What does the Latin word tempest mean in English? Got a pass from both teams. Correct answer is time. Time is what tempest means in English. Unfortunately, Pioneers stopped here, but CocoPuffs went on for a few more questions. What is the capital of Australia? You guys answered Canberra. Canberra is correct. Name the city where Jesus was born. What did you guys say?
Bethlehem.
Yes, Jesus was born in Bethlehem. That was correct. Who won the All Blacks versus Wallabies game on September 24th, last Saturday, or 2 weeks ago Saturday? It was the All Blacks. You guys got that 10 points. And the last one. What language is spoken in Brazil? You answered Brazilian. The correct answer is Portuguese. Close, very close. But nice try. Thank you again. Please, one more round of applause for yourselves, teams. Oh, they're still talking. Okay, guys. Okay. Unfortunately, there can only be one winner, or as in my eyes, you are all winners tonight. With 145 points, we have the Pioneers. Give big hands for yourselves. And 162 points for Team CocoPuffs. Congratulations on winning tonight's game. I hope you guys had fun. Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
Okay, I had a lot of fun too. Our whole team did. Thank you very much for playing with us. Don't forget your vouchers. And yes, that is all from us tonight, from Team CocoPuffs, Team Pioneers, and myself in TV5. Faftai Lava Samoa. Thank you.